Now that you have learned about light pollution and observed it outside, you now have an opportunity to create a model of it and think about ways to reduce its effects. You will construct a city with buildings, light them with LEDs and possibly mini flashlights, and observe how they will help improve visibility but also may be contributing to light pollution. Then you will think of ways to lessen the light pollution by shielding and using dimmer or fewer lights. You will think about how to keep your city bright, enough for visibility, but not too bright. This is an excellent activity to do with other kids. You can work collaboratively. You can work with kids even who are different ages than you, because each person can work on different parts of the cityscape at the same time. For this activity, most of the materials you should have at home. They could include cardboard from old boxes that you can use to build structures, paper towel tubes for perhaps streetlights, clear tape, maybe electrical tape, and white paper to create shades for your windows. You can also use Legos or other building blocks instead of cardboard if you prefer. If you want to add to the cityscape, you can add toy cars with headlights that you add, figurines, or roads. Take a look at the video link in the PDF below. It shows one example of a cityscape. Watch just even 20 seconds of it, and you will really be inspired. As for ways to light up your buildings and other structures, take a look at your local Dollar Tree, Target, or Amazon. On Amazon, that's what I did. You can buy inexpensive lighting, such as battery tea light candles, battery LED emergency candles, battery LED string lights, or electric mini lights if you want to light up a large structure like a stadium. For that one, just be sure to have an outlet nearby. You can also use mini flashlights. Once you have your materials at hand, let your imagination and building begin. Think about what types of buildings that you want to light up. Homes with windows, office buildings, cars with headlights, street lights, lit billboards, maybe even a stadium with lights all around the top. Once you've finished constructing, insert or connect lights to all of your structures, turn off the room light, and make your city come alive. Then record your observations and answer the questions found in the PDF below. You can do this in your nature journal or on the light pollution pages provided. Next, modify your lit structures to reduce light pollution. Consider which lights in your street scene are unnecessary for visibility or safety, and turn them off. Create shields for undirected lights so that they focus their light only in the direction that they need to go. And reduce the number of lights in any given area if it is too strongly lit. You will then describe what you did in your journal or your pages. So have fun building your cityscape, lighting it up, and then figuring out ways to prevent light pollution.